Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by prepping your media so Premiere can do its job. First, confirm each clip has usable audio, onboard or boom, and a matching sample rate. This reduces drift. Once done, import video and all separate audio files into one project bin, then create a sequence that matches your primary camera's frame rate and audio sample rate. You do this to keep sync consistent across clips and to ensure Premiere's waveform alignments and automatic tools work predictably when you trigger sync operations. Now you run synchronization and then refine by eye if needed. Select your camera clip and external audio, right-click, choose Synchronize, and pick Audio with Mixdown. Premiere matches waveforms quickly. For groups, create a multicam or use merge clips with audio as reference. This scales to many takes. If automatic sync misses, switch to timeline, enable show audio time units, zoom into waveforms, and nudge by frames or milliseconds to align peaks. That manual step fixes drift or ambiguous matches. Finish by replacing the camera's noisy audio with the clean external track and lock the edited clips. Once you swap, render the audio to hear the final mix and scrub at multiple points, head, middle, and tail, to verify lip sync across the whole clip. If you encounter drift, make sure both files share the same sample rate and timecode or check for hidden clip frame offsets. If problems persist, consider third-party tools like Pluralize. Remember to keep the original camera audio muted, but available as a backup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.